Proving the impact, M&E for anticipatory action. Module 5. Welcome to our final module, monitoring and evaluation. How do we know if our anticipatory actions are actually working? How do we learn and improve for the next time? In this session, we'll explore how to measure the impact of acting early. 5.1. What's different about M&E for AA? M&E for anticipatory action presents a unique challenge. In a traditional response, we measure our success by the needs we meet after a disaster. But with AA, our goal is to prevent a negative outcome. So, how do we measure something that didn't happen? This is known as the counterfactual challenge. We need to find ways to demonstrate how much worse things would have been without our intervention. Furthermore, the M&E itself needs to be incredibly fast. We need to collect data on the situation before the action, and then again shortly after the hazard has passed, to capture the immediate effects. 5.2 Building a theory of change for AA. To guide our M&E, we start with a simple logic model, or a theory of change. This shows the chain of results we expect to see. For example, our output might be that 3,000 households receive an anticipatory cash transfer. The immediate outcome of this is that these households can buy food and protect their livestock, avoiding distressed sales. And the ultimate impact we hope to achieve is that the food security of these families is protected, and they recover from the crisis much faster than households that did not receive assistance. 5.3 Key indicator categories. Based on this logic, we can track a few key indicators, drawing from the WFP's M&E guidance. First, we measure timeliness and reach. How quickly did we act after the trigger? And did the assistance reach the right people? Second, we measure the impact on coping strategies. We can use standard tools like the Reduced Coping Strategies Index to see if our action prevented families from resorting to negative measures like skipping meals. Third, we measure the impact on food security, using indicators like the Food Consumption Score. By tracking these indicators, we can build a powerful evidence base. We can prove to ourselves, to our communities, and to our donors that acting ahead of disasters is not just a good idea, it's the smarter, faster, and more dignified way to deliver humanitarian aid.